a napkin to dry it. There you go. No. No. Okay. So, calm down. Then, we wash our hands. Then we're going to clean the chicken. So, pick up the chicken. Put some more cold water. And do this to the chicken, baby. Clean it. Pick the chicken up. Pick it up, Asa.
Mama, come back to me.
Oh, look, we about to season the chicken. We done with the water.
Mama, wait for me.
Yeah, we about to season the chicken. I'm about to scoot your chair up.
Mom, scoop my chair, Mama.
Okay.
Scoop it, Mama. Let's go free. This red, Mama.
Okay, so hold on. Let me put the grease on while you do that. Well, while you sit there real quick, let me put the grease in. Grease.
Grease.
Yeah. So we can fry the chicken. We're gonna deep fry the chicken. Say deep fry.
We fry.
We're gonna deep fry it. So that's enough of that.
That's enough for that.
Yeah. Now it's time to season it.
I do see another
So-
chicken, Mama.
So what we gonna do?
This one, Mama.
We
this
about to
one.
season the chicken,
The
right?
red, Mama. Let's go pick the red, Mama. Red, green. Mama, let's go pick
Okay, so what's that? Lemon pepper seasoning?
red pepper.
Show it in the camera. Show it. Say lemon pepper seasoning.
Red pepper.
Hold it like this. Yep. Because they got to read it right there. Lemon pepper seasoning.
Red pepper seasoning.
Yes. So, you going to put it on there?
Put it right here.
Wait, let me spread it out. Hold on, wait. Set it down. Let me pour the water out. Let me spread the chicken out. Okay, so do it with your right hand. You ready? Oh, okay. That's enough of that. Yay! Okay, so what's this? Say onion powder. Show.
Onion powder.
Show 'em. Say onion powder.
Onion powder.
Yes.
I'm winning the chicken, Mama.
So put it on there. Oh,
Mama made
yay!
it. Let's go this
What's
Mama.
that? Pepper.
A pepper.
Show 'em. Say pepper. Turn
Pepper.
it this way. Pepper.
Pepper.
Yep. So
Yep. Little chicken, Mama.
put the pepper on the chicken. You got it?
All right.
Put some more on right there. Over here. Yeah. You gotta do that. Oh, okay. There you go.
All right.
Okay, last one.
Last one.
Say seasoning salt.
Caesar.
Look, show 'em. Say seasoning salt.
Caesar.
Okay, so look.
Caesar.
Put it on there.
Put it on there.
Oh, okay. You got a wrist on you, boy.
Mama,
There we
now
go.
out this chicken, Mama. Now this one, Mama.
No, we did all of them. We done with the seasoning now. You don't want to put too much on there. It's going to be salty. You don't want that. So look, Mommy gonna mix it up. Do you want to mix it up? You want to touch this? You ain't.
I kiss the food. I kiss the chicken there. I kiss the hot sauce on it. I kiss the hot sauce on it.
That's seasoning.
I look at fish tray roll it. Look, Mama, over here.
Okay, so put the chicken in there.
Mama, you can.
No, you gotta put it in there.
I don't want it. I
You don't want to touch
scared,
it?
Mama.
You're not scared. You don't want to get your hands dirty. But it's okay. I got it. You got a pee-pee? You don't want to get your hands dirty. So, oh, that's the wrong angle. We're gonna keep that out. Ugh, you nasty. You taste flour. What it tastes like? You want some more? You ate flour. What you think it tastes like? Sugar? He talking about
Mommy, you like it?
No, I don't like that. Do you like that?
Mommy, you like it?
No.
Spinach, Mama?
Spinach? Yeah, I like spinach. You like spinach?
I like spinach.
Do you eat carrots?
Yeah.
Do you like broccoli? Okay.
Mama, chips like it?
What you
Mama,
doing?
Mama, let's see
You wanna wash your hands? We waiting on the grease to get ready. Oh, I gotta let them sideburns down. What you gonna help me do is put the macaroni in here. We is about, get your hand off that. That's hot. Get back. Go over there. Get the macaroni out.
Give me the milk.
No, I'm not playing with you, dude.
I have playing too. I'm not playing too.
I'm not playing with you, dude.
I'm not playing too, Mama.
Okay.